Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix RAM fully not usable on your Windows 10, Windows 11 or any other Windows PC on your desktop or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if in your laptop or desktop your RAM is not usable fully, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just open the registry editor. For that, just click on this search menu and type here regedit. Then you will find here registry editor. Click on this. In this you can see here HK local machine. Double click and expand it. System, current control set, control, session manager. You have to scroll down. You can see here session manager. Double click and expand it. After that, you need to find memory management. You can see here memory management. Just you have to single click on that. Come to the right side. Here you need to find clear page file at shutdown. You can see here clear page file at shutdown. Double click on that and make sure the value should be 1. Then click on OK. Then close this window and restart your PC. If this method didn't work for you, then try the second method, which is just click on the search menu, then type here msconfig. Click on the system configuration. Click on this boot tab. Here you will find advanced option. Click on this. You have to uncheck this option, maximum memory. If it is check mark, you have to just uncheck it. Then click on OK. Click on apply. Then click OK. After that, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix RAM fully not usable on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.